businesses in general and how the technology will play into corporate strategies and organizational strategies are AFCEA President Matt Hempel and Gina Rojas from Glimpses. Half a day to you both, and thanks for joining us.
Half a day. Great to be here.
All right, so what is AFCEA? We'll get to the whole TechNet thing momentarily
Sure.
and everything like that, but for people who may not know, Matt, what exactly is AFCEA?
AFCEA stands for Armed Forces Communications and Electronics Association. It's a over 50-year-old international organization that is educational in nature and basically information sharing, educational chapters. I think 146 chapters across the entire world, and just do good work in the local community. Give out STEM grants, scholarships for students getting ready to go to college and so forth. It's a very worthwhile, very well-established organization.
Outstanding, and having its roots in science, technology, and engineering and everything. Of course, TechNet plays directly into that. TechNet isn't a new thing here on the island. It's been attended by many people in the past. Sure. Everyone I've talked to, my colleagues in the tech business and everything, they all speak glowingly about it. Is there a central theme for this year? Because I know typically they have 2 or 3 key aspects of technology that really reverberate.
Sure. We're going to be focusing on Guam as a regional hub in the Western Pacific and talk about the convergence of strategy and technology for the 21st century. It's a very appropriate, we felt, as a chapter leadership that we picked this out of a lineup of several thoughts that we had about what we should focus on this year. So we're going to get great participation from all kinds of different industry leaders, industry, companies, government, military. It's going to be very well attended.
Okay, now I want to ask Gina about our next question, because exactly who would the target audience be? Because obviously, if this is an armed forces event, and it is, and there's a lot of good DoD stuff that always comes out of it. The needs and the implementations of technology, typically in a private sector business, and along with the budgetary concerns, and Uncle Sam tend to be kind of different. They're different in scale and scope and everything. So what type of professional should attend TechNet?
Actually, any local small business who has an interest in actually doing more business and more strategic thinking and collaboration with not only the military but private businesses as well. Mm-hmm. Definitely education, the academics, those who are interested in learning more about science and technology, communications for sure, information sharing and information technology.
Mm. Would teachers, I'm assuming, also be able to avail of this? It sounds like a great opportunity for the education community.
They should, and we have some special rates for teachers and students in schools as well.
Okay, well, we'll get to that momentarily. But Matt, I want to go back to you, because that's an interesting theme again this year with developing Guam as a hub. That sounds more almost as social engineering and behavioral and strategic and tactical, as you said. Past topics have included cloud computing and things like that, where it's specific technologies and their implementation. So maybe give us a ballpark of exactly what type of information will be shared. Sure.
Well, as I said, people from all across industry and academia will be setting up exhibits in the exhibit hall, and our panels include topics such as emergency management in the region, Guam as a strategic hub, as you just mentioned, and just very relevant, salient topics that people really will be able to tie together from past years, the information that was shared. I mean, in reality, a lot of these themes are not that different. They're tied together in many ways year over year, and as the technology improves and and we get new emerging technologies and so forth. That's another one of the panels, emerging technologies and impact on the region. So there'll just be a very rich sort of tapestry of information for people to see and to interact with.
All right. Okay, so Gina will give the lady the honor of having the last word. Where can people go to register, and how much is it?
Registration is available online at AFCEA TechNet, AFCEAMarianas.org, and also at the Hyatt on-site registration is available.
All right, outstanding. So that starts tomorrow, of course.
Starts tomorrow. Registration can start tomorrow, and the conference actually starts Wednesday at 8 a.m. 8:30 a.m. is our opening ceremony.
All right. So as a fellow geek and everything, I can't wait to go there and check it out and certainly take away some very valuable information. So Matt and Gina, thank you very much.
We look forward to having you.
All
Thanks
right.
for having us.
Look forward to checking you out.